In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Notepad on Windows 11 and seamlessly integrate Copilot for an enhanced editing experience. Let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First, let's start by opening Notepad on your Windows 11 device. You can simply click on the Start menu located at the bottom left of your screen or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar that appears, type in Notepad and you'll see it pop up in the search results. Click on it and voila! Notepad is now open and ready for action. Next, we'll integrate Copilot to take your Notepad experience to the next level. For those who aren't familiar, Copilot is an AI-powered tool that can assist you with writing, editing, and more. If Copilot integration is available on your version of Windows 11, you'll need to enable it by heading into either the Settings or the Plugins section of your Notepad application. To do this, look for a Settings or Plugins tab, which might be situated at the top menu or via an additional menu icon. Once you're in there, search for the Copilot integration option and enable it. With Copilot enabled, the next thing you'll want to do is access the Copilot sidebar. This sidebar is a handy feature where all the Copilot magic happens. You can open it by looking for its icon on your Notepad interface. Alternatively, there may be a shortcut that can quickly activate it, which is quite convenient if you're planning on using this feature regularly. Shortcuts can usually be found in the Help section or the Application settings of Notepad if they aren't readily available. Now that you have the Copilot sidebar opened, you're ready to use it to type commands or seek assistance with your text. At this point, you can just type into the sidebar whatever it is you need help with, whether you're looking for assistance writing a piece, generating ideas, or even just summarizing notes. With Copilot's capabilities, you can generate new content effortlessly, add to your existing notes, or even edit text with ease. Whether you're writing up a quick note or delving into a complex project, Copilot can provide suggestions, corrections, and helpful edits, making your Notepad experience much more productive and polished. And there you have it. You've learned how to open Notepad in Windows 11 enabled Copilot integration and utilized its features to improve your note-taking process. Enjoy this powerful tool, and happy writing!